You have questions about commercial cleaning. And we have answers. You ask, what is green cleaning? Green cleaning means using products and services that have a lesser impact on people's health and the environment. Green cleaning means choosing cleaning products that are better for people and the planet. But how do you tell? Which products are safer? Which are really healthier? The best way may be to use independent, third-party resources to see which cleaning products are truly green. 3 commonly used are Green Seal, Safer Choice, and Eco Logo. Green Seal is a global non-profit that has verified products meet the highest standard. For over 30 years, Green Seal has supported the adoption of safer and more sustainable products and services. Safer Choice is the United States Environmental Protection Agency's own certification. It ensures that products contain only the safest possible ingredients. UL's Eco Logo certifications indicate a product has undergone rigorous scientific testing and exhaustive auditing to prove its compliance with stringent, third-party environmental standards. So are you ready to research the best green cleaning products for your facility? A far easier and safer approach is to go with a commercial cleaning service that offers green cleaning services. As always, it pays to call a pro.